What's up? What's up? What's up, my beautiful people? What's up? Life is a Mission TV. What's up? How are you all doing? Give thanks and praise to the Lord. They are sip a cup of tea, Don't really drink tea in the mornings, but in the evenings, my people, them wonder if me are English. I tell them, say, yes, call it that, no? You understand? Because one whole half of the family is from England, so call it that. So what going life is a mission, people. Well, I'm there, As I say, I'm there, I sip a cup of tea. So just continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. As you hit this video, you just press a thumbs up, and help the channel to grow. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. If you are browse past and you see what you like, there's a lot more to come where you're going to love. You're not going to like, you're going to love. So you just press that subscription button, and give the channel a subscription. So you don't know when the channel grow, it grow with you. People already subscribe, just continue to share the content. When you get the video, share the content to a friend, make them watch it, encourage them to subscribe. You understand? Yeah. And the more you share, and the more views the video get, and that will help the watch hours also. Because you don't know, it's not just the 1,000 subscribers that qualify the channel to be monetized. You have to have 400 watch hours also. Tell you, it's not easy. I'm telling my people because I see it, so it's not easy with the main channel. I just give thanks and praise the day when I wake up that afternoon to carry my daughter to school and I see a video and I never did plan to do nothing like that on the channel because I say I follow the whole saga from long time and I never planned to do that on the channel. But after reaching a good distance, nearly 20 minutes away from my home to pick up my daughter in my journey, it's like something hit me. You understand? And that's why I say most people sit down and come like them and wait for Father God come in front of them and say, yes man, I'm in name Father God, Yeah, this is what you have to do. When you get up and you say, you praise the Lord and you get up and you say, boy, Father God, I beg you, help me to get out of this situation and this problem. Help me to get the money if you do that. When you walk around and you kick one box and you find the money, and the help that you get. But someone figure more or less say, no, this is dishonest. You are carried to the police station. You can't find money on the road and tell you are carried to the police station. The police themselves could have hold that. When you find yourself dishonest, is when you find the money and you see somebody and look for it. Because I'm telling you something, people. Don't go on the road and find nothing of value. Nothing of value. Whether cash, coin, or nothing, jewelry, nothing of value. And you ask, who for this? Because all who are not for them own, go and own it. And even if you come and say, alright, tell me what in the bag, tell me how this look, tell me how much money in the bill for, tell me how much money in the bag. The person who are not for them own want own it might start bring badness to you. So never you go around and find any value until you tell yourself, so boy, you're honest and you don't want God to see you. You're going to get up. Oh, for this? No. If you have it and you're in the surrounding where you find it, you say somebody will look around, you say, you diligently go to them and say, oh, no, how you look for? And when them say, so I'm back last a while ago with some money, you yourself know, still don't give in. You say, God, that person can go around the road and hear the person say them lost the money, but really lost the money, and come in the ear and a search. So go to him or go to she, you just make them claims the money and you give them it easy. So in yourself, you're going to say, so what kind of bag, how much money in there, so? Because so me see why you bend down and pick up something right there, so? I wish one of them you had there and gone, And you start quiz them how much money or how the jewels stay or whatsoever it is, how it stay. And when now the person can give some information, then you give it up. But you never in a public can find nothing of value and ask who for this. It going to have one bag of owner, especially money. You can't stay there. So people who don't learn this as of now, God can't see you for where you find. It's not like you find it and you hear the person have ball feet and a hollow feet and you still hold on upon it. You find it, anybody could have find it. If I know you find it, somebody else will find it, and the person will find it, I go take it. And if you see it and you not take it up, somebody is going to come take it up. So at the same, for the same 6 and 1/2 dozen of the other. You understand? So as me I say, sometimes we ball for help from Father God in certain situation and crisis where we're in, and then after we get the help, it's like we expect Father God to just come down on a sliding chain from heaven and say, well, the gods of Almighty, Jesus Christ, I'm here to help you. No, you're not going to see that. You ask for help, and in prison help in all shape and form, different. Alright, people? So remember me telling you, don't find any value in public and ask who for. Observe and see if you see nobody look for it. If you're honest enough and you observe, and if you see somebody look, you step up to them, you make them step up to you, you say, how are you last? And when them tell you where them last, and you still don't give in, you question them little, so you can know, say, yes, this is the right person. Because that person we are looking at, the right person feet can go around the road, go look around them left feet, and just say to that person, and that person they come and look, and you end up get that person there, and get the wrong person. You understand? So I better you did keep it. And not if you thief it, you find it. Alright, my people. So take a sip of the tea and get into the action and when we really come to talk about. But you don't know, this channel is all about reasoning, you know, in general. So when you expect anything, I can come to say me a reason about the ring light, and I end up start reasoning about the sheet and the phone and all kind of things, because the channel is all about this. The channel is all about to teach. You understand? Educate. A little drama, you know, see me post it. I want another little drama for posting them. I want to post it because too little bad word cussing night and something. I mean, I really too want to post too much of them type of drama there. It's just because the big man from over the main channel I have couple, you know, so the most only way from over there know him. So when you see him, you don't know what to expect. But I want to another one them upload, but I want them to release it or what. So you can go in the comment section and tell me if it's okay. Too little bad word the night and something, but a drama. It's all about drama. One little girl in the community where, you know, not little girl, big woman, but she kind of a little, you know. But even know if she say, I don't want to say retarded or what, but she kind of have a little thing about her and go all about her dance and dance up and I want to look at some little drama, but I don't want to full up the channel of them type of bad word, because I say it's a family oriented channel. Despite when I put out videos like those, I always put parental guidance are rated PG-13. So you know your kid cannot sit beside you and watch that video. Alright? Alright, I'm going to get into the meat of the matter now. Come, I released the last video I released. Some people I said, boy bro, video nice man, but it too short man, a good topic in about the video too short man. Cause I try to keep the video them on this channel like 10 minutes, 12 minutes so I can watch them out, you know, and me get the watch hour I want and stuff. So you know, we still I will get the video them short. Honestly, I just want to do the video them like a 10-15 minutes and that's it. Some of them I don't know, sometimes I start chat, I don't stop chat. Because things just a flow to me, because I say to my people, I don't write down nothing, you know. I just know my topic when I come with, and when I come with the topic, everything just flow after. The only part of the video is to get it off, get the start of the video. Once I get the start of the video, I just start flow. Whereas I now dissect a video, where I have to stop the video, for dissect and I just a flow off of my own with the topic when I come with, I just flow. You understand? The only time you see me with paper in my hand is when I on the next channel and I dissect a video. And so I now play out the whole of the video. I just jot down the little the counter. I count like the video reach 10 minutes and something that I want to talk about, dissect, I put 10 minutes, 11 minutes, you know? So you will see in paper. But when I say just flow, you know, script out. Anyway people, as I say, in life my people, I guess all of us ambition is to own our own home. I don't think we will ever buck up on somebody where you ask if them don't want to own it. They only want to own a home and them tell you no. Everyone with ambition is to own our own home. You might have a few people where because after years and years of probably trying, years and years of not putting themselves in the position to own a home, they might, with a card now, not get fed up, but figure more or less say, you know, chop, know that yeah, man. And then now when they talk about own a home, them say, oh, I'm not frightened for own a home, I don't want to own a home. But deep down in them want to own a home. But somewhere along the line, things are put in place for them own a home. If you even live on a family land, you want to build for now one room. You want to put a roof over your head and know say, yes, this is my own. And my people, I say that to say this. You see, ambition is a privilege, but enough people don't have it. Me, grow come see nothing. Me never grow with no father. And me can honestly say this because probably never grow with no father. Most of we kids growing up, if we have two siblings, whether we are the older one, second or the third one, but we have two siblings with us, or three, depends on how much kids we mother have. I figure more or less the mother always love the one who their father is always there with them, or used to contribute. The one where them father never really like contribute is like the mother come under pressure. Worse when, as me say, growing up not having anything. You understand? Never born comes in a riches. Born in a sufferation. It's just all about the ambition. That child always probably get not lack of attention, but not really love the way how the other kids, which is your brother or your sister, as love. That is how you would have seen it as the person, the individual, because to all your mother might deal with you and deal with the next person, you come to that conclusion. So as me I say, the whole of we supposed to have this ambition for own home or a roof over our head. Because I say it must be a home where you bought for yourself. It can be a family land and you build up your part on it, because you get your family and you have the privilege to build a little part on a section and way. So a roof over your head. And there's a lot of people who just don't have no ambition because them get more than opportunity to do so. But what? Them never see it as a priority. You understand? And let me tell you this. Having a roof over your head should be a priority. Reason being, you see when you get older, at least having a roof over your head will take that pressure off you and anybody where I go come now around you, to whether it all depends on how you end up when you get old. God forbid, as I say, when I get old, I don't want sicky. And every night I go to bed, I pray to Father God to tie up, burn up, ban up every medical sickness that will cause me to be in certain position where I don't even have the money to deal with myself. And as I tell people all the while, sickness not put on for nobody special. And you could have 10, 15, 20 million and feel like you're alright in your life and call yourself millionaire. You can take one sickness and you end up on panel GoFundMe. People are wonder. Yes, my people. As me I say, one little sickness can rinse out that 20 million there. Because when you go on some certain tests, sometimes all 3, 4, 5, 6 tests a day. You understand? You see that like 20 million they shrivel down. To the African panel GoFundMe, people are wonder. So I tell a man, say, when you have 1, 2 shilling, no brag and boast on nobody. You understand? Worse when they're not substantial. I don't know, millions and not billions. You understand? But as me I say, my people, you see, ambition, owning a house, I feel like it's supposed to be every man's ambition, every man's dream to have him own a roof over his head. Whether one board roof, one concrete roof, yes. Whether upon family land or you buy your own place. Because it's when me go downtown, not only downtown, all over, but to me is a Kingstonian. When you go along a King Street, my people, down at this circuit court, the whole are down at the side there, and you see the amount of people who string off on the sidewalk asleep, but especially in the morning time, and the down in the evening, the place not busy like that. My people, enough of them people are not mad people, you know. Enough of them people that is not mad people. Most of them people is homeless people. Not mad people. If you stand up and reason with them, you listen how them talk, you know them not mad. And most of them tell you, say them not mad, them homeless. You understand? Circumstances make enough of them homeless. Some of them are hopelessness. Some of them people just greed and covetous and just take with them place. Some of them get bullied out of them place. But I know mad, them mad. Some of them just, you know, something might happen to him in a life, whether financially or where relationship is concerned, and him just give in for life. Friend, if you know that some of them make some investment, did have a little money and make all that investment, and things don't go right and money mash up. Probably him can't pay a little light bill, she can't pay her little light cable bill, she can't finance her monthly expenses she used to do or him used to do. Because the investment where them choose and go in no work out, and how much millions of dollars mash up. So them just take it to the street. Because you take it to the street, you know nobody to answer to. You understand? People more come now and feed you, municipality a feed you, people come, charity and all kind of things. So most time you see these people on the road, them not mad. 70% of them are just homeless, them don't mad. And as I say, them homeless in many different reasons. Some hopeless, reach certain stage in a life, and because of flossing or, you know, them just, me don't know, but them just end up fall upon hard times because them just figure more or less say things are go pretty, the road are go pretty at all times, so them never make no preparation. Some, as me say, they make some financial decision in life and it no work out. Some family, them own family, bully them out of them place. Some, them live in a certain area, them get shoved out by gangsters. Some of them put up them house plan, what you call it, like when you go borrow loan, and as me say, loan no work out, where them take. Some of them take all the loan and go floss it out, and forget so when you take loan, you have to invest loan, because that's why you take it. Loan is not something where you go floss, buy clothes and shoes, and go party. When you take a loan to invest. So you can pay back the loan and borrow if you want to borrow again or do something with the interest where you make. So some of them put up them house security, boom, them lose them house. Them have to go up on the street. So there's a whole heap of way. Some of them they are foreign for much years. And to them they are land of opportunity, England, Canada, America and whatsoever. Them feel like say all is well. Some of them are boast, oh, I'm a citizen. You're a citizen, but you can get your citizenship can be revoked at any minute, any hour. And you come back at your birth land. Nobody can revoke no citizenship from you in Jamaica because he's a Jamaican. The further you can go is 6 and that's when Father God ready for you. You understand? So if we make preparation, if we get the opportunity, we agree on all we get the opportunity. But once you get an opportunity and get a chance, our first priority is to put a roof over your head. Because as we say, it is very easier when you reach certain stage in age to get assistance with little food. You understand? But when people now go take in as a stranger, if your own family want to push you out when you reach certain stage in a life, and mess up yourself, you this, you that, you taranat. Them want to push you out. Just imagine stranger. Them not going to take you in. But when you did build a structure over your head and you reach that stage, at least you might find somebody, a caregiver, a social worker come in, come clean up your mess now and again and give you a little food. So it will easy upon you. Medication might come from government. A man might easily more better for your man fill a prescription for you with your medication. It more easy for somebody put in a one car and carry go up at the clinic or down at the hospital. But where the shelter is concerned at the other part. So you in your fit and young days and the time where you get opportunity can do something, you have to do it. Me now kill the people them where, might not get no opportunity. Because as I say, hand can't reach, mouth can't build house. And them have a saying where them say, I know where you earn and where you save. But me not believe in that. Because watch it now. Me can't earn these $220 a week. But at the same time, my weekly expense is $60. Where me can save out of this. Remember my pay now, after me get my pay, me still short at $20 now. See it here, $60. Alright. Me go out the road and me hustle the $20, me pay my bill. $60. Or me try and twist this and pay this and then balance this and pay this and balance this. So me still balance. But the bill, the bill still not pay. And me can't save nothing. So when you go tell me say it's not what me earn, is what me save. How can I save from $40 when my expense of the week is $60? So sometimes these old time saying and all of them me really follow. Because all of them, some of them don't make sense. You understand? It's not what you earn, is what you save. How can I earn 40 when my expense is 60? What me can save from that? When me still have to balance somebody around there, so piece of feed one, around there, so piece of feed them one. So I understand the people that might don't get an opportunity. But the people that will have an opportunity and get a chance, think about put a roof over your head. Luckily some people have family land, probably like me, we can do that. Not saying in the long run me don't want to buy my own house. Because them say, God bless the man that has his own. When you have your own, and then you can't cantankerous argument with nobody at all, family nor stranger. Because sometimes your own family can get jealous of you. Because the same family yard, them in it how long, them did all their head of you. And I look upon you a certain life, at a certain level like them and say, watch out. I know him can put up one room and watch him go 5-story. And them frightened when you come and go on 10. And when you surpass them now, be a jealousy and feelings start carry. Because earlier on for them the time when them a leash out and a launch out, you stay so can't move. So it's like them did write you off. I never expect say you'd reach them and surpass them. So jealousy start creeping now. Problems start cast on family land. So that is a good start for somebody who can't afford to go buy a house or buy a piece of land. But at the same time, if you even do that and get that start and get the opportunity to buy your own place, go and buy it. Because when you buy your own place, that's yours. Because you can't have something for your friend or a family for 100 years, you know. And you're in that worse all a vehicle and you night and you muggle every day. But remember, you see the day if you make 101 day, that person can come for them vehicle. You think you can't tell them say you're not give them it? The only way you can't tell them that unless the documents in a for your name. And I went in a for your name and I feed them money by it. If them have to use gangster life to take it from you, them go and do it. Because despite law, are your own. But it's either hide or no, you know. It's either you're going to go lock a country for it, or you're going to give it up. Because the owner might take it there, so wait, watch out. It's either for me, you know. You're not giving me my vehicle. My hard working money, you're not giving me. Alright. You understand? So my people, the whole thing is about everybody's supposed to have an ambition of owning them own roof over them head. You understand? No listen to nobody when them tell you about, oh, me don't want to live, me don't want own nothing, me don't want no house, me don't want no this. So you want to pay rent all the day of your life? You understand? You check out, you live somewhere and a pay rent, say, you pay 30,000 a month for where you live. You're not talking about light water, you're not talking about utilities, just 30,000 a month for where you live. And you live at that place for 10 years. Alright. 10 years for 1 year. 12 months in a year. 360,000 out of that. Check 10 times 360. You could have used that to pay a mortgage. And at some day, that place where you pay a mortgage for will end up be your own. But you live yourself, a parent, rent a raise after a certain time and I go higher and higher. And you could have died at the place for 30 years, a parent. At the end of the day, on a year one, you have to come out. So all of them people that were rent place and I talk about them don't want to own now, come on. Me obviously as a non-ambitious person. Because everyone is supposed to have the ambition to own somewhere. Alright, my people? Alright, my people, remember when I telling about the finders, keepers, you know, and a thief, nothing. Never you find value in a public and ask who for this to have a bag of owner. And you're going to look like an idiot because you're going to end up with the wrong person it. Alright? Life is a mission, people. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Don't wait till you start watching the video. Just hit the thumbs up. You understand? Yeah, and please just share out the video. Share out the video to some people. Send it in to some people WhatsApp. You know, cause so we can gravitate some people to the channel too, you know. Cause they might not in a YouTube, you know. But are your friend and them in your WhatsApp or she in your WhatsApp, you just share the video to her in our WhatsApp, man. When you share the video to her in our WhatsApp, probably when me and say she might like it and she just hit that she just hit that subscription button. Easy make it a subscription. As well as you can send her the video and say, boy, watch that video, man. Inspirational talk, motivational talk. Yeah, you know. Hit the subscribe button, man. After you send her the video, you just send her a message. Yeah, man. You understand? So life is a mission, people. Just continue to subscribe, as I say. Share the video them with a WhatsApp contact. On a Facebook contact. Yeah, man. Just share the video. Because we want the channel there. You see, for the Christmas, we want the channel there reach. So you see that Christmas, we can do some little adventure. Take you out there in some river, in some wild, in the bushes, hills and valley. You know? Do some little outdoor cooking. You know? Some stone we not use now. Stone and wood fire. Yeah, we might use a coal now and again, but we not use no stove. A stone, draw 2 stone and catch pot pan it, you know. Draw a piece of zinc and piece of mesh and roast some fish and, you know, and cook up a storm and just all a relaxing time in the bush or in the wild, you know. Listen to the birds and things, you know. Riverside and, you know, yeah, them type of life there. So, but I really want the channel for reach, so in the Christmas, yeah, we can do little like that. Where someone good at their yard at them time there, who they are foreign might their yard there, can just make the link up and you don't know how the thing go, we just work